Email marketing is a powerhouse for engaging customers, boosting sales, and fostering brand loyalty. To nail your campaigns, personalize, segment, and test rigorously. Know your audience, craft killer subject lines, and add that personal touch. Segment wisely. Optimize for mobile, and A/B test like a pro. Keep that list clean, avoid spam triggers, and track performance religiously. Deliver value, keep it fresh, and watch those engagement rates soar. Master email marketing and watch your business thrive.
Understanding your audience is key. Tailor your content to meet their needs. Craft compelling subject lines to boost open rates. Personalize your emails with the recipient's name for a stronger connection. Segment your list for targeted messages. And don't forget mobile optimization. Make sure your emails look great on all devices, especially mobile. Stay ahead of the game and watch your engagement soar.
Mobile optimization is key. Ensure your emails shine on all devices, especially mobile. A/B testing is your secret weapon. Experiment with different elements to find what resonates with your audience. Keep that email list clean by removing inactive subscribers regularly. Watch out for spam triggers. Use language that keeps your emails out of spam folders. Clear calls to action are a must. Make them easy to find and irresistible to click. And don't forget analytics tracking. Monitor those open rates, click-through rates, and conversions like a hawk. Stay sharp, stay engaging, and watch your email game soar.
Consistent value is key to keeping your subscribers engaged. Find the right email frequency that works for your audience. Utilize automation for seamless workflows. Enhance your emails with attractive designs and images. Remember, engaging content is the heart of it all. Be informative, entertaining, or educational. Keep your subscribers hooked with valuable content and watch your engagement soar. Social media integration, feedback requests, exclusive offers, re-engagement campaigns, legal compliance. These tips are the secret sauce to email marketing success. Extend your reach, improve your campaigns, provide exclusive deals, win back inactive subscribers, and stay compliant with regulations. Master these strategies to create emails that resonate with your audience and drive results. Let's level up your email game.